here about 24 hours ago when the writ of summons any statement of claims from the ACCRA High Court. As according to this particular document in the Chemu said, Uko PM wo Okyehene Fiedia, and the multimedia general as the Onya TV and one sempote led by Captain Smart as they say Onya TV show Hopeson Odorye as to Ebetna so Ekeka Esembebre. FA page 7 of the Japadia document. But that particular details in the Bremo. Of which a preferably near United Hersebian can 70 bit me akotodi. Na and 7 according to the statement of claims from the ACCRA High Court. Maybe a Sikasembian to me inquire, maybe apology being in Sembi bit me akoso. Because you know we are closer to elections in peace in area. But Ebuja and 7 tennis. There be antennas ACCRA. Hopeson so I ready for war. I ready for war. Ono Okyehene Fiedia. I your sergeant for I'm watching for a page. So I'm watching a tiny. Me and Korean go to some of the secrets. Hopeson Odorye and so dear go. Say why you ready for war? Why you borrow a cows and then do not forget to one share this video. Now you have been shared. And secondly, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe here for about the manage to choose the notification icon. All now bet you soon. And also the announce the video to my baby will be announced and so to me akabi. Ye mo remni entie Hopeson Odorye. Oja was so good. I Okyehene Fie.
Meka bibi achiro. Ajapade document here ye kan amanfo kan nadie no. BBSSC Enra in the Japade book under telecommunication. Calvin GVG. I go for Muse or Mumra, no Mumma Meshe, however, monitor for course. We are making portion natural. Enra, ever Japade, and Rama who said, hey, I didn't say Wamba. 3 days ago. I'm a lawyer friend, Yabobia someone. Say, your court of Mammy Beno. Every week in a semi report. I know I say, Emrano, or Pessoa Nemico. A boy 11 years old. Offer me one through baby. What catch up in my move, Biamani? And Ponipa Meneno Cocrano, to say who could do police station, Hodomono. No, things are Hodiaco. That of Homogenio. You could do Hodo. Now, belief from the High Court, our police station, Ejina police station, and the national security name. Me see I have a year for and I'm saying, Sajapadi, family. The what I'm doing, I'm saying, and confirmed to me, said, Ajapadi did not work, I say, young fat. The young monitor opposition for Jina, Mechanatro. Now, for young share a year, you can say. Within the party, or more young trustee or more monitor, and it confirmed it. Say, I dear baby lawyer friend, because the lawyer also catch him say, what do you be a new homo? So, how did the bailiff get to know, say, may back police station for 11 a.m.? I'll be now. This is serious. What if you don't move cancer from, can I say, Freddie Massam? Say, fabrication. Hey, Ajapade Bugwe. Move from in concert. We will stay talk, we will analyze it, we will discuss it everywhere. We will be some body. You can have a body of Bukudu, and 1 year quarters, and you do quarter, Papa Kamas. The express is a baby and I come on for 100 dada. What you do quarter, I'm bet 2 voices in Adamabubo. Always at the buyer, and Jimmy for the number home. You go see. Then I win my enemy. What are you saying? Miss Abdul what on Betty? Second to the court, a judicial break. Yes, on the first week in October. October, yeah, you have fairly appearance, Bibiana. Yeah, Shasi. Now, what would you say? Sunday, and you're gonna fool you and Jimisa. What does it? Then Tracy and Shet, and Massa. Which your cookie proby and Mamma Fagana Japadina. Already entrance. We are going to talk about it. Look, we are judging out your Kunyaswa. It affects you and your family. And this is our Babina and Papa before so offer. Look, sir, and the problem. They say, and some Huntina, you can't say, court to work on them. And I'm one. And now, I just say, who did counsel a court? I just say, what you been? And you send me a Kakudi. And you document it. I am not the author of it. It is in the public domain. They say, why you read? Every lawyers read here, don't start this office. I don't say, I say, that's how you go, master, or one state of Gaza was alleged. This is I know the already a So many again. And more girls who say, oh, you're the Hopeson may say, look, let me make this special appeal. Or more saying, may pay someone on sponsor make it to be. May ye t-shirt say no to a Japadie. Your best spread it across the country. Say no to a Japadie. Sorry, I'm not partner with piano washes a t-shirt. Say no to a Japadie. So say no to a Japadie. A wedding naturally anti a Japadie crusader. We need to stop this once and for all. We need to stop it. Also, Mama 500 t-shirts. Good. Fantastic. A Japan. So on also that's right. Fantastic. Say no to a Japadie. Say no to a Japadie. A idea about printing. You're printing here. Who sponsored in the people by month for Mamma TV? Free. What share free? You didn't know. You did jump of what in the best sponsorship. Fantastic. What is it? You're printing the teacher mango for. Say no to a Japadie. Not boss. Maybe next week. Maybe next week. TV Bia Mapi or Subiano. Saturday na Meshe. Say no to a Japadie. Ghana for let us stand firm. Let us stand firm. You're checking and zero. Second independence. Now me, oh, let me you. Me. Me say, Sabuhui. Last time in the walk at one assembly. Meba, my Mimbuka and show me, let can be your own. Me catch him, say, who shall book Netia? Look, a member from the alleged family. Nifan is a family friend. A friend. How this picture, Abraham, they say, Obi, and the tray and go and a picture with that. And I didn't say, young in the buy. They say, Sadui, a member of the family called me. You have one voice called. What? I have the voice saved. Saved. Media mommy lawyers did that. Very secured. 20 minutes voice. Hey, what about Japadi? What do you tell me? One of the mommy who says Japadiano Grano. A dear Japadiano was that the original name. Now make sure, baby. Not provide this certificate to be. Yabama man for a do Hoduma. Mama Odia to Swamami. Medibama was here. Tamu Fanto screen so mommy. Sabu hui, Esasieno. Na edino de asasi. Mujo asasi. Na there were 1 year so because be asasi radio. I don't say, hey, and yeah, ebe confirm me book no. Change it. And I didn't change it call a Japadie. I don't know more revise Sabu hui. A future book here, I don't know, it's a capture year. A capture year. Who share Asia Hasia? What's the date? AD 2020. At 2020, I know more reverses are book. Make it a me restricted. As soon as you actually restricted, who could be actually restricted? Be actually and Wabonting, no, in the public domain. A share, but big too heavy, Nippeses will pay their own. Show me that. I don't mind this. Look, my pushy a yamo say, Aya, move to me that to a screen of Sabame. Now, me confirm Sadi we enter Ghana for no move. Say, a Sabna Yakano, and your botrimuka, assassin, and your botrimuka. That is a ba a year, what your photo screen so. Say, August 2020. Sir, you know, Omukoko register or UK. Well, register or Ghana how? Company no. A Japan royalties in a call Ghana, you can say Ghana's parliament. Now, Omukoko register or UK with Asase Royalties Limited. But you say, radio no Bermuna, very good. And the Dahonum. Which said, Yatro, Ewo Honumna. Was it just a financial services commission? I know Omuna register companies. I will UK. Eti omukoko change of ye can say name. It is a change of name of change of name of a limited company. That's right. Yes, the original name and the was say I hereby certify that ACCRA Royalties Limited. ACCRA Royalties Limited, a private company incorporated under the company's JC Law 1991, as amended, having changed its name by special resolution, has today been entered on the Register of Companies Incorporated in Jersey as a private company having the name of ACCRA Royalties Limited. Company call Parliament is you go to near minerals in our woman budget, ACCRA Royalties. ACCRA Royalties. And what of Mukoya minority I walk out on? That's the way it was done. That you know, I was August 2020. Yes. 10th August 2020. What you want to know for you so much? What you want to say? Hey, this is serious. What you want to say? Mrs. Samuel, talk about Magafabe. You are going to go to the letter. This is serious. What baby? So bomb for Wakofa and 98. Say, I'm going to tell me that you know they will come back and kill your people. They will come back and kill your people. And you see me and you come to go. They be done. And you see me and you come to be anti-man. Me say me say mama me police and I say be me dam ho sa the day na Nyankopon be ka say wo be wu that day no me wu o kra say nyamesa o pia ni bet my mbibia so it is makoko yes ade we now be ka say it is serious and you fabricated 12th August that is over 4 years paper and then 16th August yes I just say 4 years more yes and we call register we am ko register I don't want to buy it. Now, the Japadia, you know, or can be. I will say. Page 18 now. Change of name. Page 18 of a Japadia book now. Was it the passage of mineral income investment fund? So and so. Would I remember? Yes. Investment Fund Act and setting up of first special purpose vehicle, a Japan royalties in Jersey, would allow us acting in various capacities and through our friends to acquire majority of the stake to be listed on the London Stock Exchange and the Ghana Stock Exchange. Omoye ejapade no oman ka say ye gold ni ya din ina no omba be listed on the London Stock Exchange. Udeti. Tie do omba be kan. Sia. Omo bi say ye jimi for ho. Was it the cash flow will be strategically undervalued to maximize our returns. What it? Maximize the cash inflow. They will make sure what Mami can give it. Was it the cash flow will be strategically undervalued to maximize our returns. It is I don't know 10 cities are. Mama Babeka say 2 cities. Meanwhile, 10 cities in the Bebo. That is 8 cities now could do. So I'm going to pagine. Be pagine. Ghana Japadio. You go there, you 2 year minerals, your box at your BBA. Or move on Babajim. Say your Babaje, I can't say, or my Ghana. And you know, strategically, or move undervalued. Which I didn't 10 cities was here 2 cities. So 2 cities, 8 cities have been doing you. No one was at 2 cities in the view. The minority phone was said, Omase. As I said, Omase. Because they didn't know me and I see a soon. Oh my God, dear. Do Omo pass all right without minority. But President Ushedena was say obey amendment. Now back to Parliament. I'm back to Parliament. One casa will do myself. Who started some implement here? Omo the burial. Omo the burial. Now, what's Nasa Case? We a fabrication. Ghana for the other Namuti organ. Ghana Namuti organ. Just against so in some who says who. My so in some who says so. They say the first evidence and the other one. Now, what kind Herald? The Herald newspaper. Why Jehuduma? Yama obiso eko ye can say company's office. Omoji na what you say directors with evidence. Directors they are not different from the Herald the Abano. Herald the directors number. Well, okay, story now. Wabuji. Now you will come and say, by here we are not official you from you can say justice you commission order. Sabu trade the Naba, could you get that? Could you to be sent to pay on my book a buffoon? A buffoon. Now, young family, you and your Jojo. What said me? And I say, I don't know, you say, what name the Panukat and I say, Atimaka, because of family values there, and yeah, second one. What to be for me? Emma must stop over your promacy. Every grandpa don't even stop over your promacy. May say, ye be printed t-shirt, ye be check, you do a pine home, Mutuan, Jibia Momo, Munticha Mango for. When Pia sorry, I won't say, when the boss of power will say no to a Japadier. Say no to a Japadier. Now, come back to I say no. Everyone said, you bet truncate the current administration December 7th. You new mandate him. Then a Japadiano, your guru. The next president will be taken over. No ascetic forensic audit into this. Everybody involved must be arrested. And account for your Japadiano. Evidence about going to be the your cocoa to live near Boha, made the voices in all radio stations and television stations. One kind of funky. Let me film it and cast him. I don't get Robert Maguire to a voice. Now, look, now you're ready. Me say, what am I lawyers? Me say, and someone may make you my cow crewman. The Toda no mache, Bibi, no Majai, Kaya no Majai. Come on, you must process time or Muja or Mado Mudins and fool at anybody. They have no idea. On the president, no more clue. They said they have no idea. Not the only one number. And the Ganyaka, yes, so few who's you, and one yes, I didn't want in a man, and yes, I did. Every organ and a Majapadio who's so a better Baba Shim, Yababo. Yababa, no Fati. Betty, we are making Nanny say, Ganafo, Mamu, my young fa and Yabro. Now, Obia Quaco Trababi, Ababa say, oh, media, you can't say, Mede, a cockot, and in the Kaigam. Yes, and no antina court to Soho, your qua, your Bapa Kanyasem. Your court, not court to Casse, Mimpiasa will 10 million, Ghana for Boba Metria. But the most important thing, and they say, Ghana for who say, as someone yanking, and ya to some again to crack. Again to crack. She also, or who say, Ghana for a Casa or Galamsey, 332 companies are a was I do with. Or Muya, you know, a bedroom babino, Galamsey, they are 90 man Kosubu. I didn't know Mufasa Japan or ATC. Et me catch was a book. The original name bar face and no mocano, a assassin, Avid Wajmedi. Change dinner Koyana Japan. So Wajmedi. Eti Omoya Company Nusuru, Omoko register company, Assassin Royalties Limited. That was UK. The debate will Ghana for Nagana. I know because be radio, yes, I didn't confirm. Sadina confirm one. MDC for the trail, or made them no matter what said. Say, I do MDC for the trail. Said the president Kana, a better day and a certificate of incorporation. We be call landing. MDC for the call landing. Aquacos is from a assassin to a Japan. They can say, you know the directors of the company. Oh, heard Abu Bobi. Yet, official one from the UK. I remember. The whole Jimmy Bobo Pies Casimir Vamo. Jimmy Pieska, and this Ghana has a Albert Babu Pieska. The moment or mobile solicited for the company or the office is obliged to give to them. And to another year, you should crack. You should. Some of the Omnia got to say. Who's that? Tobia Fede, and so Kazai. Okasa Japadia. What's a new company at Strategic Securities? Yes, SAS of Toga Fede. Omosha Paya Befaso at the Brenasi. Because Omufise or Lenitu and this more. We say good in Yuma. Some more kind. Very soon, you better a year to be a Fede. Now that's right for it. That's also. Events happening in this country. How can you say it's a way fabricated? How can you say that? International. I should know. Now, perform with your deal with your sabotage. What would your deal be? Me say, there was some idea. Yes, would dear. Benny. And then just added the Jabai. Okyehene na duma kaka. Ekabede na ngama for the bebemuso. Ye dey to go for there on the Japadie.
Recently we are hearing about something called a Japadie. And sadly, my company is also mentioned in that book. My small strategic African security is also mentioned in that book. I find it difficult to believe that that was a genuine document. But of course, certain things that we go through give us thoughts to the contrary. I recall that in 2019 thereabout, we received a letter for us to sign, pre-written in our name, to sign, to resign from the group of companies that advise government on its bond issues. That came as a shock. Another time, we had a commercial paper outstanding with a state-owned financial institution that have not matured. Suddenly, we had debt collectors at our door demanding repayment of money that had not matured. So when I reflect on some of these things, then I begin to wonder. And only about 2 months ago, Yoko was at a small factory that we own in Tema, Pioneer Kitchenware. It's just majority share owners of a company that is going through hard times, closed down. We're thinking of reviving it. And Yoko was there because PKL allegedly was owing rates to Tema Development Corporation. And you wonder, what did Yoko have to do with indebtedness of a small company to, So when you look at all of these things, then you begin to rethink about your view of Japadie. But again, you just reminded me about my involvement in the startup of Data Bank. So that makes it even more surprising that after helping to found that company, I could also.
Very well. So, I said that work. So, strategic African securities is here. Now, as a man make a face, Oko pick 20 of the Japadie book under telecommunication. That is 1.4.4 under telecommunication. Revelation. Emu and Embra. I see number kind. Embra it a confirming me direct implementation number. Say, just say a year from Yeti, who can say bit baby no you. You know what you are talking about. Make us say bit baby no Jimmy. It's as if it will be trouble. Me no go for the go. Ah, you have a person between a moment. The moment. From Nigerian. What's it currently? We currently do not have much foothold in the sector too, under the communication, The critical role that telecom companies play in the lives of economic fortunes of this country requires us to make a strong entry into the sector. Would you? The successful planting of every GVG into the telecom sector has given us unparalleled advantage in terms of having a view of activity flow within the sector and the ability to monitor communication of persons of our choosing. What are they? The omo person omutienu, they are selecting omo, they are monitor. The intelligent gathering power allows us to target and eliminate any potential threat from within MPP. I'm not making a joke. Eliminate. Yeah. Any potential threat. Potential threat, you have to eliminate the person from MPP. It's in the book. This is the book, page 20. Page 20. Eliminate. Yes, so Anansi Samso. This is serious. Particularly those not inherently loyal to our cause. Why cause? The mafias. It is one support to the hey, what does so 24/7? You still call every day. To our cause and Nanes cause, which include members of the opposition NDC. NDC woman. Page 20. Yes, Kevin. You can say Kenny GVG. Eba na Imani Ghana. Air fighting. Franklin could join anything. Many people bring here. I say, now Franklin, dear grand, I see this one. Sada would do near Eba. But who said, why you post to say, I didn't acquire you? I sarcastic, or more Montiasi, no Montiasi, or movies or attacking me. I don't know attack it, or can be. So, Sada, when you go to Kumho. That the lawyer firm could do that bailiff. I just see a court premises. A court police station too. That bailiff a free high court. Ababi Jina Hodomo. Young country will be as a coco. You have found my office. You have found my office. Share, what you want now? Now, one officer and two. It's why you deal with one. That is so a butcher. I don't say yes.
Me personally, I thought saying seven on Quebec baby for and I bet 10 years for a certain direction be a non Kenya this way. But at the end of the day, they didn't bet me. The human is a many bed in 70. Every details be able to free Ghana be able to have a summer hair for. Almost I am a dofu. And simply do there was a chicrata the banner papa mua. Obian himself when you can me papa mudo. A son and crater and mum yin and swaking time. It drew no maybe saying so they are. I will see a jam on mutin seven. As I know you. We know very conversation on our next video. Do not forget to share this particular video. Now you have been 1070B. Hopeson Odorye versus Okyehene. Everybody could see my crowd.
One, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media. No style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for him. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema. Other tribe a flow, sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know, say, commentary like, or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a orchestra free debate. It's all good. Oh, yeah, dear. Can one, modern, can one, try, pa.